Welcome to 5 awesome accessibility features in Microsoft 365. In this video, we are going to look at 5 accessibility features that are available within Microsoft 365's premium apps and how they benefit those with accessibility needs, no matter if they are permanent, temporary, or situational, and also how everyone can use these and benefit from them too. So let's get straight into it and look at these amazing features right now. First up, we have Dictate. Within premium apps, switch on Dictate, and rather than typing, you can then talk to your desktop and it will start recording what you are saying, but in text form. So if you watch your screen while you're talking, you will see your desktop typing away like some kind of magic. This is just the power of Dictate converting your text to speech. Let me show you how to access it. I'm using Word here, and to switch on Dictate, find the Home tab along the top ribbon, and here you will find Dictate. Now, while you are connected to the internet, switch it on and chat away. This is perfect if you struggle with something like dyslexia, are unable to type, or attempting to multitask, which I'm sure we all struggle with at times. But with Microsoft 365, you can absolutely do it. Next, we have Read Aloud. With Read Aloud in Word, whatever you have written or dictated to your device, Read Aloud will read it back to you, allowing you to hear what is written. This is a great feature for those that struggle to process written text, have partial sight or blindness, or just want to check how a document sounds. You can find this in Word in the Review tab. Just click Read Aloud and listen.
This is a great feature for those that struggle to process written text, have partial sight or blindness, or just want to check how a document sounds. You can find this in Word in the Review tab. Just click Read Aloud and listen.
This can also be found in other premium apps as well as OneNote and Microsoft Edge in Windows 11. Some people have a learning accessibility need, like dyslexia for example, which can affect people's ability to process text. This means that changing the color of the page can be super helpful with processing all that is on the page. This is where Immersive Reader comes in, and it's found in the View tab of Word, or you can simply type Immersive Reader into the search bar. We can access all the tools available, such as changing the document's color, text spacing, and column width. These tools can help those who need it to consume the document in front of them. For example, the color of the page can be black text on a pink background, which may help some people, whereas white text on a black background may help others. So with all the choices at your disposal, you too may be able to utilize them to make your viewing experience more comfortable. Next up on our list of amazing accessibility features, we have live subtitles. When we talk about accessibility, we don't just mean how it can help you. We are also talking about people that consume the content that you create, whether that be a document, a spreadsheet, or maybe the flyer for your next tea party. And one of the features that really helps is live subtitles in PowerPoint. Not only can you insert closed captions to aid the deaf or hard of hearing community into your presentations, but you can also present with live subtitles switched on. Also, within the settings, you can change the language settings, allowing the presenter to present in English or any of the other available languages and have the subtitles output in any different language they select, meaning that those in other countries can consume the content as well. How amazing is that? Customize your Xbox Elite Wireless Controller Series 2 with the right configuration and components to unleash pro-level precision with the complete component pack. And coming in at number 5, it is of course the Accessibility Checker. If you want to be the accessibility master and learn the ways of accessibility, then get into the habit of checking any content you create in premium apps with Accessibility Checker. This tool is the ultimate way in showing your accessibility prowess by giving you the ability to make your Word docs, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, and emails from Outlook super accessible for all. When Accessibility Checker is activated from the ribbon in the Review tab, you have access to tools that will check your doc for bad contrast choices and suggested ways to fix them, the ability to add descriptions to pictures for those that cannot see them, and rearrange text and images so screen readers like Narrator, which is built into Windows 11, can read them. All that and many more features in all the premium apps make it look like you have been studying the art of accessibility for years. So, there you have it. 5 awesome accessibility features available as part of Microsoft 365, with so many more available to make sure no matter who you are, you can be empowered in all you set out to do. Thanks for watching.